everyone, my name is Becky and I'm so happy that you are here with me today. Now I've heard that you've been feeling a little bit angry recently. And you know what? Feeling angry is perfectly okay. And so today, we're going to explore this feeling together. What is anger? Anger can sneak up on us for a number of reasons. It's like having a big, strong feeling inside you because something didn't go the way you wanted it to. Sometimes you might feel hot and bothered, and your body might want to show it by making you frown or stomp your feet. What does it feel like? Anger feels a bit like a storm inside you. It starts when you're really, really mad or upset about something. When you're angry, you might feel a rush of strong emotions like frustration, annoyance, or even fury. It's like having a big wave of energy inside you that wants to burst out. Your heart may beat faster, your face might get red or hot, and you might feel like clenching your fists or gritting your teeth. So, now we know a little bit about anger and how it can make us feel, let's look at the exercise Angry Balloons and try to gain a better understanding of what makes you feel angry and how to cope when angry emotions strike like lightning. Let's get started! If you don't have a copy of my book, please don't worry. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. If you do have my book, go to the second section, Recognizing Anger, and find the page, Angry Balloons. If you don't have a copy of my book, simply grab a piece of paper and a pen. Draw 4 balloons just like this one on the page. Pause the video until you are ready. What causes angry emotions? Feeling angry doesn't always come from what people say to us. It can also happen because of something someone did or didn't do, which can make us feel frustrated. For example, maybe a member of your family or a friend said they would play a game with you, but then they let you down by not playing. Or maybe you wanted to go to the park, but you weren't allowed to go. Angry emotions are usually triggered by not feeling heard or not getting your needs met. Maybe someone isn't listening to you properly, and it makes you feel super mad. Or maybe you feel as though someone isn't taking the time to understand you. Noticing our thoughts. By writing down our thoughts, we can begin to see what is causing us big feelings of upset and anger. I know it's not nice to relive these situations, but once we start to unpack these thoughts, we can let them float away like a peaceful balloon. Let's begin to write. Look at the empty balloons in front of you. Think of each one as a magical space just for your thoughts. Have a think about some situations that have happened recently which have made you feel angry, upset, or misunderstood. And use a balloon to write down what happened. You can then use another balloon to explain why it made you feel angry. If more than one thing happened, then use as many balloons as you need to explain what happened and how it made you feel. Pause the video here to write inside your balloons. Take as much time as you need. Come back to the video and press play whenever you are ready. You are the hero of your own story. Sometimes we get so angry we hurt the people around us with our words and actions. Whenever we have these really big feelings, it can be hard to stop ourselves from acting out in that moment. It's really important to be careful about hurting other people's feelings, even when something seems unfair or not right. Why? Well, there's a few good reasons. Firstly, everyone has feelings, just like you do. When we say or do things that hurt someone else, it can make them feel sad, upset, or even angry. Imagine how you would feel if someone said something unkind to you. It would hurt your feelings, wouldn't it? So being kind to others creates a world where people feel happy and safe. Secondly, even if something seems unfair, it's usually better to talk about it calmly and find a solution together. Hurting someone's feelings often makes the situation worse and doesn't really fix the problem. When we're kind and understanding, we can work things out in a much better way. Lastly, when we treat others with kindness and respect, they're more likely to do the same for us. It's like a circle of kindness. So, even if you think something isn't fair, remember that being gentle and understanding is usually the best way to make things better for everyone. Well done for completing this exercise. Remember, sharing your feelings isn't a sign of weakness. It's actually a wonderful strength. Why? Because it can be challenging to open up sometimes. Whenever you're feeling angry, keep drawing those angry balloons, recognize your feelings, let them come and go, and release them calmly. If you loved this video, be sure to subscribe as I will be releasing more videos over the next few months. Wherever you are in the world, I send you lots of love and happiness.